Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how to fix the issue of Windows 11 freezing. And now let's get started. First, let's address high system resource usage that might be causing your Windows 11 to freeze. Open the Windows search bar and type Task Manager. Launch Task Manager. Observe the first three system resources: CPU, memory, and disk. If any of these are consistently reaching 100%, we need to investigate further. If your disk usage is at 100%, it often indicates that your disk is full. To free up space, search for Disk Cleanup in the Windows search bar and open the Disk Cleanup utility. Click on OK. In the Disk Cleanup window, select all the checkboxes available. Click OK, and then choose to delete the files. This action will help reduce disk usage. Next, let's consider memory or RAM. Search for the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool and open it. Select Restart Now and check for problems. This tool can diagnose and potentially fix memory-related issues. However, if your system is consistently running low on RAM, you may need to consider upgrading your physical RAM. Finally, let's look at CPU usage. For this, we will use System Configuration. Search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open it. Navigate to the Services tab. Locate and check the box labeled Hide All Microsoft Services. If any other services are currently checked, click on Disable All. Then, click Apply, followed by OK. You will need to restart your computer for these changes to take effect. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.